Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into a product that could be a game changer for anyone dealing with hair loss or thinning hair. We're talking about the 272 laser cap for hair growth, a cutting-edge solution designed to help stimulate hair regrowth using low-level laser therapy. Whether you're dealing with hair thinning due to genetics, aging, or other factors, this device promises to deliver visible results without the need for invasive treatments. So, let's break it down and see if this device truly lives up to its claims. This laser cap features low-level laser therapy, LLLT, which has been clinically proven to stimulate hair follicles, promoting natural hair growth. It's designed for both men and women and is said to target hair loss by stimulating the scalp with Class 2 lasers, which work at a frequency of 5 milliwatts each. The device is recommended by doctors, boasting a 90% success rate in clinical trials. The cap is easy to use, with 30-minute sessions 3 times a week, and it automatically shuts off once the treatment is complete. It's also noted to be safe, with no harmful side effects, making it an appealing non-surgical alternative for hair restoration. I've had the chance to incorporate the 272 laser cap into my routine, and I must say it's surprisingly easy to use. I've been using it as directed, just 3 times a week for 30 minutes. The design is comfortable, and it fits securely on my head, even for longer sessions. The best part is that there's no mess or fuss involved. You just press a button and you're good to go. It's great for anyone looking for a hands-off approach to hair restoration. Now, let's talk about what really matters: results. As expected, it's too soon for me to report on long-term results, but I can say that the experience has been hassle-free. One thing that stands out is how simple the process is, especially considering how many other hair growth treatments require a lot of effort and time. The cap's automatic shutoff feature ensures I don't have to think about it once my session is over, which I appreciate. However, it's important to note that, like any hair regrowth treatment, results will vary from person to person. The company claims that users can see visible results in about 4 to 6 months, which is a standard timeline for any laser therapy device. So while it's not an instant fix, the promise of long-term regrowth is definitely appealing. When we look at the pros and cons, the most obvious benefit is the simplicity and convenience of using the laser cap. The design is user-friendly, and the automated shutoff feature is a real plus for those with busy schedules. Additionally, it's a non-invasive treatment that avoids the costs and risks of hair transplant surgeries or harsh chemicals. On the flip side, some users may find the upfront cost a little steep. While it's an investment, the device could save money on alternative treatments in the long run. One other thing to keep in mind is that laser therapy devices work best for individuals who have early stages of hair thinning, so it may not be as effective for severe hair loss. Is this product worth its price? If you're looking for a clinically proven, non-invasive solution to regrow thinning hair, this laser cap might be a great investment. It's safe, easy to use, and it has a strong success rate. But if you're expecting immediate results or have severe hair loss, you might need to manage your expectations and understand that this is a longer-term commitment. If you're on the fence about the price, there are alternative hair regrowth devices available that offer similar technology at a lower price point. These may not have the exact same features, but they still use low-level laser therapy to stimulate hair growth and may be a good option for those on a budget. Overall, the 272 laser cap for hair growth is a promising solution for anyone struggling with hair loss. It's an excellent option for those in the early stages of thinning, offering a convenient and non-invasive way to restore hair growth. While it might not be a miracle cure, if you're committed to a long-term treatment plan, it could be the solution you're looking for. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks so much for watching. If you've tried the 272 laser cap or have any experiences with laser therapy devices, drop a comment below and let us know what worked or didn't for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.